How do I link my Capitec account to my PayPal account?
Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to link your Capitec account to your PayPal account. This process can seem complicated, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll have everything connected in no time.
Why do I need to link my Capitec account to PayPal?
Before we start, it's important to understand why you'd want to link your Capitec account to your PayPal account. Doing so allows you to withdraw funds from your PayPal account directly into your Capitec account, making transactions smoother and easier. This also means you don't have to depend on another third-party service for your financial transactions.
What do I need beforehand?
To link your accounts, you'll need your Capitec account details and your PayPal login information. Please make sure you have these on hand before we start. This will help streamline the process and minimize potential issues.
How do I link my accounts?
Now, let's get into the process. 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login details. 2. Once you're in, go to Wallet at the top of the page. 3. In the Wallet page, click on Link a Bank or Link a Card. 4. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Here, input your Capitec bank account details. 5. After entering the details, click Link your card. PayPal will then proceed to verify your Capitec account. This may take a couple of days. Once it's confirmed, your Capitec account will be linked to your PayPal account.
What should I do after linking my accounts?
After your accounts are linked, you can start transferring funds between them. You can withdraw money from your PayPal account directly into your Capitec account, making it easier for you to access your funds. It's always important to keep track of your transactions to ensure your accounts remain secure. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully linked your Capitec account to your PayPal account. Now you can easily manage your funds across both platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your online banking and payment platforms.